Yo, that's Guilds, and this will just be a quick video showing you some good tweaks and themes and all that good shit. So, yeah, see how my settings and my apps look different and stuff. I'll show you what that is. So, we'll go into Cydia and I'll show you my favourite tweaks and themes and stuff. So, probably my favourite one, to be honest, probably this one. It's called Aerify. It's by Big Boss Tweaks, so if you just search it up, you'll be able to find it and download it for free. And yeah, it's awesome. See, when I do my volume up the top here, so yeah, it's awesome. Oh, whoops. Yeah, that's the first one. That's from Big Boss. So that's this one. Everyone already has that. Alright, and the second one probably be Anemone. So with Anemone, you can install themes. So that's how I got this theme here. It looks pretty nice. And the theme I'm using is called Muse 3. I'll just show you real quick, just in case you like it. Yep, see there? That's the themes. Just apply them. So, yep, that's that one. Here, see, I got Echo and Muse. Well, I don't know why I have that. Shouldn't have that. Downloaded the wrong one there, but it's Muse 3, alright? That's the theme I've got. Really good theme. Thirdly, app admin. So if you ever want to download an app from the App Store and you want a different version of it, say the latest version doesn't work, or the old version doesn't work, or the old version is better, or the old version has a glitch, whatever, man. You just go get and say it says downgrade. You can downgrade to whatever version you want. It's too lovely. So I used this for a game that stopped working, but the old version worked. Alright, so you download that from Mohadu. I'll show you the source. This one, Mohadu31, right here, .com. Alright, now this one, YouTube tools. Now this is awesome, man. You just go on to YouTube. Where's YouTube? Here we go. This is definitely one of my favourite tweaks. Alright, so what? Some fucking something here we want to watch. Just click on it. Look, it's playing in the background. That's awesome. No ads. Start playing straight away. Alright, now I'll show you another one. You'll like this one. Ready? Local AP store. I'll do this one next. Wait, did I say what one that's from? Yeah, that's from Big Boss Tweaks. YouTube tools. Okay, so everyone can download that. And by the way, my Muse 3 is from Hack Your iPhone. So that is this one here, repo.hackyouriphone.org. Local AP store. Local IAP store, my bad. That allows you to buy anything in any game that is an offline game. You just tick these two options. And if it's like Subway Surfer, anything that's like Subway Surfer and it's not an online game, you'll be able to buy anything. You just click purchase and you wait for it to pop up with the App Store and then you click cancel and it'll give it to you. Alright, moving on to the next one will be Filza. Everyone must have Filza. It's just a file manager to look through all your files. Everyone must have that. Alright, Cylinder, this one's quite fun. So it's called, it's called Cylinder, and it is from Big Boss. So everyone can download that, very easy. Now see when I change pages, it does that. It's very cool. It looks nice. I'll show you the settings for it. There we go. There's lots of effects, lots of formulas. You can create your own. Yeah. It's a very old tweak. It's made from Barrel. It's the new one. Pull to respring is a very good one. Just when you're in settings, you pull up and it resprings. So you're in settings and you just pull up basically and it'll respring. But I don't want to do it right now because I'm recording. But it's very good for if you want to respring. Tweak compatible is must have tweak. So you want to search up any tweak. Look, it even says right here. It tells you if it's working on 11.3, working on 11.2, working on 11.4, working on 11.6, working on 11.2.2. Just shows you what it's working on. You can click it down to, if you just want it on the bottom there. Yeah, very good tweak. Very, very good tweak. And everyone's pretty much got this tweak, and it shows you like what ones work, what ones doesn't. Obviously with these ones that no one uses, it doesn't, but with ones that people actually use, it does. Next tweak will be eye cleaner. Whoops. Now this is a very good tweak. It's more of an app. Alright. So yeah, that was from Big Boss. Yep, Big Boss tweaks. So here, I'll show that to you. I'm trying to be as quick as possible, but there's quite a few. I want to show you all the good ones. And so you just tick anything you want to be cleaned, and it cleans it up. I do this every day when my phone lags a little bit, and it works so well. Like, it clears a lot of space on your phone. Like, just every day I get at least 500 megabytes cleared just from like cache and stuff. It's crazy. Auto touch and rapid fire are cool apps if you want any sort of macro app. That's definitely the go. Download that from apt.autotouch.net or hack your iPhone for rapid fire. AppSync Unified lets you install any app without having that app signed. I don't know if you know what that means, but it's good. Now you want that with AppCake. So I don't know if I have AppCake installed. Just have a quick look. Yeah, I do. Now AppCake just gets you like lots of free apps. Anything in the App Store pretty much is on this, free or hacked. It's got a lot of hacked apps on there. It's just cydia.iphonecake.com. You just install that. You get lots of free apps, but you need to have that AppSync Unified as well to make it work. Otherwise, it will not install any apps. This one's not bad. Crack Tool 3 from Mohadu again. And that just basically lets you hack auto touch. So you get the paid version, lets you hack eye cleaner for the paid version, and filter. I know it's got a lot of other apps there. If you've got any of the other apps, also hacks all of them. But yeah, depends if you have a use for it. Alright, and I think that might be all. Oh no, definitely got to show you Googes in a second. Bit of a weird name, but a very good tweak. Alright, yep, that'll be it. Googes is the last one. Googes is one of my favourites. See how there's no labels on nothing. No labels apart from the 2 numbers for notification. It wants me to update or some shit. But yeah, very nice. You see Googes here. It's got a respring button. You got to click enable. You go hide all labels, hide all badges, and show only numbers. That's the best. Yeah, and you go respring, and that'll turn everything on. And yeah, you got to do the settings in most of these. So YouTube tools, play in background, no ads restriction. Yeah, turn the speed up. Yeah, Activate is a must-have for a lot of tweaks, so I recommend installing that. I hope you like the tweaks and stuff. That's everything I've got installed pretty much. Peace out.